Okay, here we are on a new project, just getting set up to protect everything. This backsplash that's here now is actually coming down. We're going to do a nice kind of subway look with a border tile backsplash here. It goes all the way around here. It's going to go there, and it's going to go there as well. So this is day one. Getting everything set up, prepped, protect as best as I can, and then start going. So that's where I'm at. Day one. Okay, day two of this project. Got everything protected yesterday, set up, good to go. Did the layout, and I started installing this handmade 3x6 tile. So that's what it's looking like so far. Got it set over here, so I'm gonna continue on. Oh, that's my head. We continue on here on the setting, one tile at a time. Get this thing installed. So that's where I'm at, day two. Okay, here we are at day three. Continue setting around here, all the way around there and over to there. So that's where I'm at. Gonna continue on with this section here. Then we got that cubby over here and this cubby, and we all set. So it's going one tile at a time. Day three. Okay, here we are, day four. Came in yesterday, clean up the areas I set the day before, and I set this back section over here by the stove. That's all set, and these two cubbies over here. So that was day three. Today's day four. I'm gonna clean up everything and then seal it. I let the sealer dry, so I'll be back on Monday. Today is Friday, to grout everything in. So that is where I'm at. Day four. Okay, here we are, day five. Came in on Friday. Today is Monday, and I cleaned up all the tile that was set the day before, and I sealed it with a stone sealer. Allow, because this is a crackle. They kind of call it a crackle handmade ceramic tile, so it has like tiny pores in there. So you really want to seal it before you grout it. That way, the grout doesn't get in those little nooks and crannies. Kind of acts like as a grout release. So today I'm going to grout it in. We're using Plastic Vivid here, and it's like a gray color. So I'm going to grout that in, let that dry for a few hours, and then caulk and silicone. As long as it dries in time today, if not I have to come back, but that's the plan. Day five, continue on, get this thing buttoned up for the client. Okay, end of day five, everything is grouted and caulked. Silicone plates client's gonna put on, they didn't get them yet, so put in the receptacles. Now everything is grouted, caulked, and siliconed where necessary. So everything is looking good. Again, handmade tile, so you make it look the best you can with the joints, because everything is extremely inconsistent. But that's the look that they want here, so give the client what they want. That is it.